I come to school too.
I know in your mind now you are feeling like you want to follow me.
What do you want make I do now? We're gonna miss you,
No. So any conference like this one no go. You get us be now just 1 week we go take go, just 1 week.
Just 1 week.
Just 1 week.
1 week now you go stay.
After 1 week I don't come and you know say for my office. Now me be one of the most hardworking people where dey the office. So if I say make I no go now big problem. I just take care of house, take care of everywhere. Hey, baby, you don't miss me.
Before
give me the way you take they give me now. Stop now. I not go again.
Can't they go. Man, carry your bag for you.
Now. No worry, leave am. Yeah?
Okay.
No stress yourself.
Bye bye. Take care of yourself.
No wahala.
Oh.
Take care of house.
Bye bye. Oh. You mean this man has been in your house for the past 2 weeks and he refused to leave?
See, officer, this man has been in my house, eating my food. And
1 minute.
as he's even disturbing my peace.
He has been in your house?
Yes.
I will show him that I'm a police officer.
I want you guys to
Wait.
take that man out of my house.
Where is the place?
See my house.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
I will show you. What nonsense?
This useless man. This man must be a very stupid man.
Come, Sergeant, you wait here.
Okay.
Wait here.
Yes.
Make sure nobody comes out from this house.
Yes, sir.
Let you be at alert.
Yes, sir.
Let me get the foolish man.
Bring him out. Bring him out. Bring him out.
Jesus is Lord.
Hey!
Man,
This is the conference that you came for 2 weeks. This is the conference.
No, actually,
Sergeant. Hey.
He's my husband. The useless man is my husband.
Sergeant, will you keep quiet?
Yes, sir. Don't baby me.
Let me tell you something. Whatever you say here will be used against you in the court of law.
Yes.
now my second.
Keep quiet and move.
Oh,
I
yeah.
will shoot your leg now.
Move. Bring it out.
She's my secretary.
So this is the conference that you came.
Baby.
You which baby? Why are you calling baby? Which person are you calling baby? You told me that you are going to conference, isn't it? So this is the conference that you came.
They did not
You
hold
came for gay conference, isn't it?
Sergeant, respect yourself.
Sir.
Pay attention. Now, young man, anything you say here will be used against you in the court of law.
Yes.
So, my friend, you better respect your head. Yes, I will fire your leg now.
Yes.
Officer, you're a man like
I know. You don't want to leave the house?
2 weeks.
Officer, he told me he's going to conference.
Be careful with me.
Hey! We'll go and conference the rest at home. Don't baby me! Don't baby me! Move! Oh yeah! Move too! Move!
hello, our papa.
Move!
What did I do? Madam.
School too.
Thank you very much for watching that wonderful episode. Don't forget to like, share, follow our channel, and invite your friends to follow our channel too. Officer,
Let's move. You're under arrest.
In fact, you said why the quarantine.
Wetin I do now?
Waka. When
So
you
my
get,
husband find
when
me
you
call.
don't reach the station, you go explain yourself. Keep watching School 2 comedy. Oh yeah, waka.